Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do your lemonade stand Excel project. Your task is to take and track all the sales and all the sales expenses for lemonade stand. Your job's going to be to first set up an Excel page just like this, and you're going to set it up by first making the page layout landscape. That means it's not going to go, the long paper is going to go this way instead of this way. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to set up columns, headings as shown right over here on this side again. The headings are these: day numbers, money spent on cups, money spent on lemons, money spent on sugar, money spent on ice, total expenses, price charged per cup, cups sold, potential customers, gross profit, net profit. Okay, and then you have to wrap the headings, and then you need to start from A. This is A1 or 3, and you are A3 right here. Here's column A, here's column row 3. You start 1, 2, 3 all the way down for the number of days that you play the game. Now, first thing you have to do is start the Excel. So I'm going to show you how. You go to the Start menu. You go here to the Programs, and you go to Microsoft Office, to Microsoft Excel, and then you go ahead and first you go to Page Layout, and you go to Orientation to Landscape. Now the long way is this way. Next thing you do is you merge. Merge means you have to go back to Home, that you're going to take all these different cells from A through M and you're going to make it one big cell. You push merge, and it's going to allow you to type in the name of your lemonade stand. I'm going to go ahead and change the font size, even the color, and go Mr. Bat's Lemonade Stand. Okay. Next thing you have to work on is going back here, set up the column headings as shown right here. So we have to set those up by going back to Excel. We're going to need this to be a little bit bigger. So what we do is we, on the side in between the 2 and 3, you see that kind of plus sign with the arrows. You left click and then you drag down. It allows the cell to grow top and bottom, to get larger in its height. Now we have to start typing in days numbers, or day number. So we type in day number, capitalize the 2 words. Now the problem is I'm already into the next cell, as you can see. So I have to go here, highlight that again. I'm going to right click and go down to Format Cell. Go to Align, and this is going to allow me to wrap the words in the cell. That means it will keep it just in the one cell, the words, and not allow it to go outside of that cell. Just like that. So go back over here. I don't like having the words down the bottom, so I like to have it on the top and center. And that's just me. You can choose whichever you want. There's middle, bottom, right side, centered, left side. Actually, I kind of like centered. Now, we have to continue adding all the other columns in. So the next one is money spent on cups. Make sure I got that one right. Yep. And we have it fits just right. And we can continue doing the same thing. Money spent on lemons. And you continue doing that for all the different columns. You also have to do the rows. And on the rows, you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you could go and do just that, or you could highlight your 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have a plus sign down here that you see the plus sign that's white that turns black. If you drag it down, it will type the numbers for you all the way to whatever you want to go down to. And we're going down to 30. So we're going to have to make this one a little smaller to be allowed, because I made a mistake and don't have enough space at the bottom. There we go, now we do. So now, because these lines right here show where the page ends, and I wanted to have 30 in there. So now we have enough room for everything, and then you can fill in the rest of these.